Alright YouTube, this is my 70 Chevelle. The Rocket Racing wheels. Camaro disc brake swap. 12 bolt rear end. It's got 6-liter, 243 heads. It's a LQ9 from the Holley Terminator X. Had the TMI Pro Series buckets. Their bracket fit perfect. Got the new Dakota Digital RTX gauges. Change it any color you want. All kinds of crazy color combinations. Got the fast steering wheel. Love it. Got the custom made door badge. Nothing too fancy. Got the Speed Engineering headers, Holley swap mounts, Blackheart cross member, running the Holley fuel gauge or fuel rails. Terminator X has been a pretty good system so far. Nothing crazy. BTR stage 2 cam. Dynoed $3.99 to the wheels on a Mustang dyno. I think it's got a little more in it, but it's just a driver. I'm not really doing any kind of racing. Got 275s up front, 305 drag radials in the rear. Still have a hard time getting traction, even with 331 gears. But I'll start posting more videos. If y'all have any questions, just let me know. Got my next project working on right now. 85 C10. I'm gonna do a C notch, 4.5, 6-inch drop with the Magani's kit. Beltec shocks, the street shocks. Nothing wild with this, just a little cruiser. It's got a clean little interior on it. Got all the bed bolts out. Built me a little H-frame here. Going to pick the bed up tonight, get it off. Go in tomorrow. Start getting the suspension done. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.